Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add audio in Google Flow step by step. If you want to include background music, sound effects, or voice recordings in your AI video project, this guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open the project where you want to add audio. Once you're inside your project, look around the workspace for an audio ***, sound ***, media ***, or upload **** option. The available tools may vary depending on the latest version of Google Flow and your account access. If audio support is available, click the appropriate option to continue. Next, choose whether you want to upload an existing audio file from your computer or use any built-in audio features that Google Flow may provide. If you're uploading your own file, click *upload audio ***, browse to the location of your music or voice recording, select the file, and click *open ***. After the upload finishes, the audio will appear in your project. If timeline editing is supported, place the audio where you want it to begin and adjust its length to match your video. You may also have options to trim the audio, change the volume, or replace it with another track. If Google Flow doesn't currently support direct audio uploads in your version, you can first generate your AI video in Google Flow and then add music, narration, or sound effects later using a video editing application such as Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or another editor of your choice. Once your audio is in place, preview the video from beginning to end. Make sure the sound is synchronized correctly and that the volume levels are balanced. If needed, make adjustments before exporting the final version. After you're satisfied with the result, save your project. If an ***, export ***, or download **** option is available, use it to save your completed video to your computer. And that's how you can add audio in Google Flow. Keep in mind that available features may change over time, so some audio tools may differ depending on updates or your account type. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.